82-year-old retired businessman. I am an electrical engineer by profession. I started and ran several small to medium sized engineering companies. I sold off all these companies about 8 or 10 years ago, and I'm now leading a retired life with any engineering operations. But I ordered your lift a couple of years ago because both of us had difficulty in climbing up and down the stairs. And the biggest thing was that you were able to customize your lift to the available area in our house, because this particular place where the lift is installed, it was never intended to be installed there, so there were no lift well or anything of that sort. So you were able to customize the size of the lift to fit into the slot which was available, but I'm extremely happy with its performance since then. Apart from customization, it is a totally glass lift and from all sides, and that makes it easy for us to navigate the stairs because sunlight from our skylight above flows into the rest of the house. I'm especially happy on the door design, and I'm happy on the overall width of the lift, because it's not easy to normally get lifts with such small widths. Secondly, we wanted a lift which is wheelchair compatible. So this is a wheelchair compatible lift with a very small footprint. And several people who come here have admired the lift because of its aesthetics. So we are happy with the lift, we are happy with the services which have been rendered, and we would like to wish you all the best in your future endeavors in the country and outside the country. Thank you.